Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly play 1080x1080 Cs2 Nvidia. First, open the Nvidia control panel and go to the Change Resolution under Display Settings. Then, click Customize and then Create Custom Resolution. Set horizontal pixels to 1080 and vertical lines to 1080. Ensure refresh rate matches your monitor, e.g. 144Hz or 240Hz. Now, save and apply the custom resolution successfully. Next, launch CS2 and go to the video settings in the main menu. Set resolution to 1080x1080 from the available list or use launch options. Here, add -W 1080-H1080 in CS2 launch options if the resolution isn't visible. Apply changes, restart CS2 if needed, and enjoy the stretched view. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.